money in my dream. Open it up. Crisscross jump. With a bell in the trunk.
This is 24 Hours GMA News. I'm David, and today is November 1st, 2019, about years old. There are something the killer creatures. The creatures is killer everyone in past. The creatures is a spider emoji cat, in the Tom Death. Tom Death in episode 10 EAS scenario Catemojibabyheat season 2 2016 on February 18, 2016, over death people on emoji cat spider. Just a Zira, are you there?
Thank you, David. I'm here in Palo Metropolitan Cathedral. The police officers what's happened right now. David, Palo Leti spider, is a 4 feet and 3 eyes, and shark teeth, many giant clone spider, damage all building and house. The Palo government has been finding a creatures, 5 the young country bombers kill last, this time, Steve, Alex, cameraman, TV man, Joey, Matthew, Lightning McQueen. Thank you, David. Have nice day.
I'm scared for the spider. Well, I think this is end of the world. This 24 Hours GMA News, we contains the normal programming.
The following message is transmitted at the request of the Buffalo Police Department and the United States government. This is not a test. I repeat, this is not a test. At around 7:34 p.m. Eastern Standard Time, and extremely roaming at street for the Buffalo, a spider killing everyone. Addition, police are saying, a spider, sound screaming. All residents that keep shelter immediately. Grab a weapon. Stay tuned for more update about this situation, the extremely spiders.
This NBC Network News in City of Manila. I'm Kate, and today is the 14th of August 2019, a extremely spider roaming street in Palo, the giant spider killing people, and aimed children in home city of Chicago. Jeff the Killer S. in City of Chicago, in 1995 a killer people, in until further notice, the spiders for a Jeff the Killer, leaving the Chicago and Tom, how this situation going?
I'm leaving this Chicago. Many people are walking to the moon, is so red, a blood moon virus. People are saying, there is a jump scare for heart attack, don't look at the moon. Many people are transformed for zombies, wildfires, bloody rain, demons, entities, riots. All residents keep shelter immediately. I guess this an end. Now for Kate, this Tom.
Well, I thank the blood moon at looking at me. This NBC Network News, DZRH News, signing off.
Well guys, a house so scared.
Yes, I'm scared this house. What sound is that?
Yeah, Brown. Holy crap. I see ghosts.
What? Holy crap.
Hey, I'm not very at something, how? Nah, neither. Oops, sorry.
Hello guys. I have no idea this is fishy.
Oh, hi, Black. Oh my god, Black! What the hell is that?
Oh my god, you here?
Guys, look! I'm the scariest! Oh, the flying mages is coming from me and I'm the scariest nightmare.
What? Craig, hurry!
Hi guys!
There's an eyeless
Jack!
Come on! No way!
Play on my computer. My nookie never leaves my mouth.
message is transmitted at the request of the Orlando Police Department and United States government. All resident city of Orlando, get your homes immediately at 8:59 p.m. midnight Eastern Standard Time. The red moon getting strong, crossing a blighting. NASA and police officers. What's happened the red moon? Resident city of Orlando and United States. Stay inside. Stay tuned this stations for more updates about the situation.
Yeah, these rains gonna destroy your buildings and car and house. Yes, I do, Blind. We need to catch all the rains. Let's kill all the rains.
What do you mean, all blind? Almost done and done. Yeah, it's done now. Let's try it. Alright, let's press it. The button. Yes, let's try speaking. Hello? Hello? Alright, killing evidence.